Hello and welcome to Craft Time at the Houston Public Library. I'm Miss Jolie and today I'm going to teach you to make a toothpick disappear and reappear just like magic. This activity is intended for ages 5 and up. And for this you will need a toothpick and some tape. Alright, so the way that I'm making this toothpick disappear and reappear is actually very simple. Alright, so all I've actually done is taped the toothpick to my thumb. So depending on the length of your thumb, you may need to cut your toothpick. I have a fairly long thumb, but if yours is shorter than mine, you might want to cut it down. Alright, so you want the toothpick, when your hand is open, to run along the length of your thumb like this, so that it can't be seen from the other side. All right, so when I turn my hand around, you can't see my toothpick anymore. Here you can see it, here you can't. All right, and so the rest of the trick is really just about practicing making the toothpick appear to disappear and reappear without your audience noticing. This is one of those things that you can practice in front of a mirror and on your friends to see how good you do it. A little bit of hand flair goes a long way with this trick, just to kind of let you know. If you act like you're kind of throwing the toothpick at them, right, it kind of helps you get that movement to your hand so that they're not noticing where the toothpick's going. And then I do a lot of finger flair whenever I pull the toothpick back out of the air, right, so that they're focused over here on my fingers and not on my thumb as I do it. We hope you guys enjoy making and performing this trick for your friends and family. Don't forget to take pictures and tag us on social media with the hashtag #ILoveHPL. We hope to see you guys again soon. Bye!